Are you ready to indulge in luxury and comfort like never before? Well, folks, you're in for a treat. Introducing the UGG Women's Coquette Slipper, your ultimate self-care companion. Imagine slipping your feet into the softest, coziest slippers you've ever experienced. The UGG Women's Coquette Slipper is not just any slipper. It's a masterpiece of comfort and style. Crafted with 100% leather and featuring genuine dyed sheep fur, these slippers are a testament to both quality and luxury. The fur, sourced from various countries, ensures you're getting the best of the best. The Coquette Slipper is designed with your ultimate comfort in mind. Its 17mm Twinface, sheepskin upper and sheepskin lining and insole provide an unparalleled level of softness and warmth. But here's the kicker. These slippers are so versatile that you can take them outdoors too. Whether you're running errands, grabbing the morning newspaper, or just enjoying your garden, the Coquette has you covered. Worried about durability? Fear not! The UGG Coquette Slipper features a synthetic sole that not only ensures your comfort but also provides long-lasting support. And let's not forget the stylish sheepskin collar that adds a touch of elegance to your loungewear. The Coquette Slipper isn't just footwear, it's a statement. It's a statement that says, I prioritize my comfort, and I do it with style. Available in whole sizes, these slippers are designed with precision. If you're in between sizes, just order half a size down from your usual. The perfect fit is guaranteed. So whether you're a man or a woman, the UGG Women's Coquette Slipper is the epitome of relaxation. It's not just footwear, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Treat yourself to the luxury you deserve. Embrace the warmth, the comfort, and the style that only the UGG Coquette Slipper can offer. Elevate your comfort with the UGG Women's Coquette Slipper. Don't miss out on this opportunity to experience pure bliss. Click the link below and make these luxurious slippers yours today. Your feet will thank you, and you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. The UGG Women's Coquette Slipper, where style meets comfort and luxury becomes an everyday affair. Get yours now.